Sometimes you need to hide or unhide attributes, add some attributes, stretching or rotating them, and the other changes which are related to them. I'm going to show you how to edit attributes. The first thing that I'm going to do is moving them. To do that, just by right-clicking on the component and choosing attributes, the move attributes will be displayed here. After choosing move attribute, you need to select the attributes that you have decided to move. So click on them and then click on somewhere on the screen. In this step, you have to specify a base point. Do it and then place it wherever you want by clicking on your desired point. To edit the attribute, there is a tool to do that. So just right-click on the attribute, then select the Edit attribute. Then we will back to the command line, and as you see here, it is written to select the attributes that you want to edit. And then here you can see a dialog box which is Name Edit Attributes. You can type a new name, and also it is possible to select the attribute from the current drawing. Therefore, to do this part, you can use Pick button. To show you the example here, I'm going to select the Pick button. On doing so, in the command line, I will be prompted to select existing text. So I'm gonna choose it, then the Edit Attributes dialog box will be displayed. By selecting the OK button, the text which you had selected will be attached to the attribute and it will be changed. The other feature is hiding or unhiding. Again, I'm going to choose attributes, and here I want to hide it. So I select it, and again in the command line, I will be asked to select the attribute that I decide to hide it. I do that, and finally you can see that is hidden. This command will be continued until you press Escape. Something that you have to pay attention here is that when you select the graphic of a block, a dialog box which is Show Hide Attributes will be displayed for you. The names which have stars beside themselves are visible in the drawing, so to make them invisible, you can select them. Alternatively, the names which don't have the stars beside themselves indicate invisible names, and by choosing them, they will become visible. Here I'm going to choose a name which is hidden and make it visible. So I select this one which has not a star beside it, and then the OK button. Here the hidden name will be displayed for me. Also, there is another way to unhide attributes. First of all, I'm going to hide an attribute and then unhide it. Now I hide an attribute. And then to unhide it, I'm going to Edit Components panel and choose the Unhide Attributes tool. On doing so, I will be asked in the command line to select the objects. After choosing it, I'm going to press Enter, and then a new dialog box will be displayed for me. In this step, I will select the name of the attribute which is hidden. If you want to unhide more than one attribute, which are listed here, you can press Ctrl and then choose more than one attribute. So I'm going to choose this attribute, and then by OK button, it will be done. Here the hidden attribute is shown.